your guide to build wealth on a tight budget. Welcome to a transformative journey where financial constraints become stepping stones to wealth and prosperity. Are you tired of the constant struggle to make ends meet, dreaming of financial freedom but feeling trapped by a tight budget? You're not alone. In this episode, we explore practical, insightful, and empowering strategies to turn your financial dreams into reality. This guide is more than just about saving pennies. It's a roadmap to reshaping your financial future. Through a series of enlightening lessons, you'll discover the secrets of building substantial wealth even with limited resources. Welcome to our channel, Web Wealth. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more content about money and wealth. So buckle up and prepare to embark on an exciting expedition through the realm of financial prowess, where each step forward is a leap toward your prosperous future. Today, we embark on an exciting expedition through the realm of financial prowess. Get ready to unearth the secrets to building substantial wealth, even when navigating the constraints of a tight budget. As we delve into the art of smart savings, savvy spending, and shrewd investment, prepare to unlock the gateway to a prosperous future. So, subscribe to the channel, and let's embark on this transformative fiscal odyssey together in the quest to build wealth on a tight budget, unveiling 8 essential lessons. Practical application of the wealth formula. Let's delve into the practical application of this formula through the experiences of our friends Matt and Julia. Matt meticulously tracks his income and minimizes his expenses to ensure a healthy cash flow. By maintaining a clear understanding of his financial inflows and outflows, Matt maximizes his savings potential and investment opportunities, thereby laying the groundwork for long-term financial security. Conversely, Julia grapples with her spending habits, often neglecting to factor in her expenses against her income. As a result, her cash flow remains volatile, leading to financial strain and limited prospects for wealth accumulation. By recognizing the significance of the wealth formula, Julia can strategically manage her expenses and optimize her income to cultivate a more robust financial foundation for the future. The wealth formula first. Let's dive headfirst into the wealth formula. Income plus expenses. Cash flow. The story of Ronald Read, whose face was featured in all media after his death in June 2014 due to a well-kept secret, sheds light on the extraordinary possibilities of amassing significant wealth despite not fitting the mold of a classic millionaire. Ronald managed to accumulate a staggering $8 million. How did he do it? He simply followed the wealth formula. Understanding the wealth formula is paramount when building wealth on a tight budget. This fundamental concept forms the bedrock of financial stability and growth, especially when resources are limited. Savings next. Let's talk about the significance of early financial planning, emphasizing the critical role of timely and consistent savings in securing a prosperous tomorrow. If you begin saving at the age of 20, setting aside $24 per month sets you on a trajectory towards financial security. By contrast, starting at 30 demands more substantial commitment, and waiting until 40 necessitates an even more significant investment. Starting at 50 requires a considerable commitment of $2,295 per month. Early and consistent savings serve as a cornerstone for securing a stable financial future. Increase investments. Now, let's explore how to increase your investments. When it comes to building wealth on a tight budget, understanding how to optimize and expand your investments is crucial. Strategies such as diversification, systematic investing, embracing a long-term orientation, seeking professional guidance, and continuous learning can aid individuals in maximizing their investment potential. Collaborative wealth building strategies. In the pursuit of building wealth on a tight budget, it's vital to foster collaborative approaches that benefit all parties involved. Networking, partnerships, knowledge sharing, mentorship, community engagement, and co-creation are key strategies that go beyond the wealth formula and foster collaborative wealth building. Invest long-term investing. For the long term involves strategic planning and patience. Develop a sustainable investment strategy. Embrace diversification. Exercise patience and discipline. Stay informed and educated, and leverage the power of compound interest. These practices enable you to lay a strong foundation for sustained financial growth and security, ensuring a prosperous and stable financial future even within the confines of a tight budget. The secret sauce: sharpening the saw. The secret sauce to building wealth on a tight budget is embracing financial mindfulness. This involves mastering skills like vigilant protection, meticulous decision-making, disciplined financial habits, and resource management awareness. These skills transform you into an effective guardian of your wealth, harmonizing lessons learned and unlocking the secret to sustainable financial growth and prosperity. The journey of financial growth. As we continue our journey in learning how to build wealth on a tight budget, it's important to understand that financial growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoying the scenery along the way makes the process more enjoyable and rewarding for everyone. This mindset helps in appreciating the small steps and victories in the journey of wealth accumulation. Understanding the importance of financial education. Financial education plays a pivotal role in wealth building. It's not just about earning more, but also about learning more. Staying informed about the latest financial trends and investment opportunities is crucial. Utilizing resources like books, podcasts, blogs, and videos can significantly boost your financial literacy, empowering you to make informed decisions aligned with your long-term financial goals. Leveraging collaborative financial endeavors. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration in financial endeavors. Cooperation and collaboration open up a broader network of financial support, guidance, and investment opportunities. Joining financial clubs or forums can be a great way to share experiences and discover new opportunities, helping you navigate the complexities of wealth building with the support of a like-minded community. Building wealth on a tight budget is a journey filled with learning, adaptation, and growth. It requires a combination of practical strategies. We encourage you to take action, engage with the community, and continue your learning journey. Share your commitments and thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into financial growth and stability. Remember, every step you take today contributes to a more prosperous and secure tomorrow.